In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email template in Canva with Mailchimp. We'll start by designing a clean on-brand layout in Canva, and then place that design into a Mailchimp email so it's ready to send. This approach is great when you want a highly polished look without spending hours building every block from scratch. First, head over to canva.com. In the search bar at the top, type email newsletter. This will pull up a variety of ready-made designs sized for email. Take a moment to browse the options and pick a template that matches your brand's tone, minimal, bold, or colorful, whatever fits your audience. Click the one you like to open it. Choose Customize this template to begin editing. Replace placeholder text with your own copy, swap images, alt and add your logo. Keep your typography consistent and high contrast for readability, and avoid tiny fonts since emails are often read on phones. Use clear headings and short paragraphs so the content scans easily. If your design has multiple pages, keep the primary content on one page to simplify the next steps. This keeps file sizes smaller and improves load time for subscribers. When you're happy with the layout, go to the top right and click Share. Select Download, choose PNG as the file type, and download your design. PNG preserves crisp text and graphics, which is ideal for email visuals. If your file is large, consider modest compression to help emails load faster. Now go to Mailchimp.com. In your dashboard, open Campaigns and click Create Campaign. Choose Design Email to launch the email builder. From here, pick a basic layout. A simple, clean starting point makes it easier to control spacing and ensures your design looks good on mobile. Open the layout you selected. In the Add section panel inside the editor, choose Image. This creates a space where your Canva design will live. Click to upload the PNG you just downloaded from Canva. Once uploaded, it will appear in your email body. Make sure it's aligned the way you want and that the width fits comfortably within the email layout. If text looks small on mobile, consider slightly increasing font sizes back in Canva and re-downloading so it remains legible when scaled. That's it. Your Canva-designed email is now placed into a Mailchimp campaign. From here, you can fine-tune spacing, keep your message focused, and ensure your branding is consistent. A quick preview on desktop and mobile will help confirm everything looks sharp before you schedule or send. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating polished professional emails with Canva and Mailchimp.